My name's John Cupp.
And your position?
I'm a new product development and applications engineer.
And what do you do on a day-to-day basis to help in production?
Mostly I do a lot of the testing of the new products, setting them up the test and run the test, and then acquire the data and distribute it, and then we sit down and we analyze it, make sure that the valves are doing what they're intended to do.
Can you show us what you're doing here?
Right now we're testing 4 different valves. In this fixture right here, we're measuring the stroke. We're maintaining a constant temperature for the application. We're pumping cold water through it, so the valve opens all the way, and then we switch over using this system right here. We switch over to hot water, and as it switches over, we're measuring the flow, the temperature of the water at both ends, and the stroke of the valve. So we're doing a cycle test. This will test until they fail, which will be over generally over 1,000 cycles or so.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
James, machinist here at ThermOmegaTech. I'm responsible for running these 2 machines. That includes programming, setting up, and running, operating.
I'm John Miller.
And what's your job?
I am the production team lead.
And what does that mean?
That means I make sure everybody has all the parts they need for the jobs and orders we have, that everything is going out on time or as best as possible, and keeping communication open between machine shop and sales.
Great. Thank you very much.
Bye.
What's your name?
Brian Lloyd.
And what do you do?
I am the Quality Assurance Specialist for ThermOmegaTech.
And what does that mean? What do you do on a day-to-day?
We are responsible for manufacturability, data analysis, and measurement analysis of the company's product.
Okay. And can you tell us a little bit about this machine?
This is our CMM machine. This machine is used to do measurement analytical techniques for all machine components that we produce in-house.